In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to PowerPoint and create amazing text effects that will take your presentations to the next level. Whether you're aiming to make your slides more engaging or simply want to add a touch of creativity, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Firstly, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Take a moment to let the application fully load. Once it's open, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to add your text. If you haven't started a new presentation yet, now is a great time to do so. Next, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab. This is the go-to place for adding any elements such as text, images, or charts to your slide. Now look for the text box option and give it a click. This feature allows you to create a designated area for your text. Once you've selected it, move your cursor back to the slide and draw a square or rectangle in the area where you'd like your text to appear. Don't worry too much about the size at this point. You can always adjust the dimensions of the text box later if needed. Now that you've created your text box, begin typing the text you wish to include on your slide. Use this opportunity to convey your key messages or bullet points clearly. Remember, succinct and clear text can greatly enhance the readability of your slides. Once your text is in place, it's time to add some flair with text effects. These effects can make your words pop and keep your audience engaged. For this, head over to the Shape Format tab. This section is rich with tools to help customize the appearance of your shapes and text. Within the Shape Format tab, locate and click on Text Effects. This fun little feature offers a range of stylistic options. You'll find effects like shadows, reflections, glows, bevels, and more. Each effect can lend a different mood or tone to your text, so feel free to experiment until you find the one that best complements your presentation's theme. To add an effect, simply select one from the list. Once applied, you may wish to tweak the settings for a finer touch. You can adjust the size, color, or even angle depending on the specific effect you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully added dynamic text to your PowerPoint presentation and enhanced it with stunning effects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try out different combinations until you find your signature PowerPoint style. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips empower you to create presentations that captivate and inform.